forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. It's your girl Deezer. Okay, so guys, today we are back with another house hunting video. But today, guys, we have a twist. Okay, so we usually show you brand new gated developments across the island, but today we thought we wanted to show you something a little different. So today we are going to be showing you lots and land for sale. We will be focusing on the parish of St Mary today, and we are going to be looking at an area in St Mary called Tower Isle. So all of the places that we show you today, all of the lots and the land, will be based around the Tower Isle area, some slightly out of Tower Isle, but all of the lots and land that we'll be showing you today are literally 10-minute drive from Ochi, if not even quicker. So between 5 to 10 minute drive outside of the Ocho Rios town centre. Also, the areas that we're going to be showing you today in St Mary are what are described as upper middle class areas. Okay, so upper middle class areas. Guys, these are not gated communities, but these are schemes. Okay, so these are well established schemes, safe schemes, and we're going to be showing you what you can get. So we're going to be showing you different lot sizes, we're going to be showing you different plots of land, but we will also be showing you some of the houses that are for sale in some of these schemes, okay? And also some design ideas, so some of the kind of houses that are already built in some of these schemes. Okay, so guys, we are going to start our house hunting search today in the scheme of Ocean Ridge. The scheme is called Ocean Ridge, and it is just outside of Tower Isle in St Mary. So guys, Ocean Ridge, and as I said, Ocean Ridge is just outside Tower Isle, in the upper middle class area. And here we have the drive up into Ocean Ridge. As you can see, I must be honest guys, the roads into some of these schemes are not the best. They're not the best, but they are really good areas, and there are some beautiful houses up here also. So let's have a look, guys. Beautiful views as well. Beautiful views around here. A lot of the lots and the houses up here do come with an ocean view. So to the right, there's a very beautiful house there. Big house. So just to give you an idea, guys, of some of the type of designs of houses that are up here. Maybe you might be inspired by some of the designs. And guys, the next house coming up is for sale. And this house is for sale. So here, guys, is an available lot for sale. At the end of the video, guys, we will be going through some of the prices for the lots and the sizes. So please do stick around to hear how much these lots cost. And there, guys, beautiful sea view. Beautiful sea view. And beautiful houses too. What I really like about schemes like this is that, you know, you can be unique in your style. So every house doesn't look the same, like in, you know, the new gated communities. It's, you know, just one style. But what I love about these is that everybody can add their own flavor to their houses. It can be as big or as small as you want it. You know, it can be whatever color you like, whatever design you like. And so it gives a flavor of authenticity, I think. So if this is something that you like or something that you're thinking about, then hopefully you can be inspired. And there's one in the process of being built. Guys, I love driving around schemes and different developments and just having a look at some of the houses and being inspired myself. This inspires me, you know, and I just love looking at some of the designs and getting ideas for myself. And this one was in the process of being, I think, really finished on the inside. As you can see, the outside is done. Beautiful, beautiful home. And again, there's another lot for sale there, you can see. And again, just some more different types of designs. And there is that view again. And it looks like this lot has been sold and it's been worked on. But what a view. Guys, what a view. So if self-build is something you're interested in, then yeah, maybe this is, you know, the kind of area that you may be interested in looking in. So that was Ocean Ridge. Now Spring Valley, again, very close to the Tower Isle area. And again, literally probably less than 10 minutes drive into Ocho Rios town centre. So this is the drive into Spring Valley. That little building on the right hand side that you can see, that's like a community centre, I would say. So sometimes they have meetings there for the neighbours or for the residents. They have, you know, get-togethers there and things like that. So there's lots available here too, as you can see. And again, just to give you an idea of some of the designs that are currently here, designs of houses. Again, guys, I'm going to be totally honest. The roads, even here in Spring Valley too, they are not the the best of roads. I mean, they're not. It's not all bad, but they're not the smoothest of roads. Okay, they're not the smoothest of roads. But if you can look past that, you know, then I'm sure it will be fine. And again, lots of available lots, different sizes, and land for sale. So this is further up in Spring Valley. It really is a big scheme, a huge scheme. And this looks like a new block. It looks like apartments because I can see individual balconies there. So that looks like a new apartment build. And then coming up in front of us is quite a nice house, quite a big house. And the reason why we wanted to do this type of house video is because we wanted to show you what the options what options there are. And I know there are some people that are not keen on the brand new gated development properties. You know, they say they all look the same, that they're quite small, they're really expensive. So we just wanted to show you an alternative. You know, that if you wanted to buy a piece of land and build something on it, then of course that's always an option too. Maybe you have a piece of land already and you just want some kind of design ideas, architectural ideas. So this may help also. Another beautiful house, very big. I don't know what Outlaw and I would do in such a big house, considering it's really just the two of us most of the time. So I do like a big house, but I don't need it that big. And again on the top there, can you see on the top of the hill there, guys? That really nice house. That must have beautiful views. And again, there are so many lots available, different sizes. The goats just didn't want to come out of the way. I think we were disturbing their peace. Okay, the last development is Caribbean Park, which is in Tower Isle. And again, just to give you an idea of what it looks like, what the scheme looks like, and some of the houses in the area, and some of the lots and lands available. Again, like I said, guys, these schemes that we've shown you are located in a more upper middle class kind of area. So naturally, you know, that's going to affect the price, and that's going to show in the pricing of these houses and of the lots within these schemes. And this is Caribbean Park. And again, more available lots here too. Right, guys, I'm going to be honest. These do not come cheap. The land is not cheap, and the houses around here are not cheap. Okay. I mean, I don't think any property in Jamaica is really cheap anymore. But yeah, you are paying not only for the house, but you're paying for the area too. Okay, so they are on the expensive side. Okay, the prices, guys. So land prices. So land prices for these type of schemes within the St. Mary area, about 10 to 15 minutes drive outside of Ocho Rios, close to Tower Isle, do start for land prices, do start from about 7 million Jamaican dollars for a quarter of an acre. Sometimes even more. So you're looking about between 7 million for a quarter of an acre to about 15 million for a half an acre plot of land, okay? And that's just for the land. Yep. Okay, for the houses, the house prices really do vary. They really do vary in these areas. But from our research, we found that houses start from around 45 million Jamaican dollars, of course, depending on the size of the house and the condition of the house, up to over $130 million. Okay, so starting from about 45 million to up and overwards of 130 million Jamaican dollars. So yeah, it is a broad range, but like I said, it just really depends on the size of the property, the condition of the property, the lot size and the space. And there we are, Tower Isle. And guys, we just want to take you on a little drive of the area around Tower Isle. Some of you may be very familiar with the Tower Isle area. There are quite a few well-known hotels, couples, Tower Isle couples, San Sushi is here also. Guys, thank you for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this video. And until the next time, datmisehtv.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.